Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be starting off with the kids' laundry. I have been trying to let them do things on their own again, just so they can learn and be more independent. So then after that, I'm going to move back upstairs into my room and I'm going to straighten up. This is a messy house cleaning video. The house was a mess. So I'm going to put everything where it needs to be. And as I'm moving from each side of the room, I'm also going to wipe down the surfaces with this Pledge antibacterial spray.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings.
So I didn't make up our bed because I was gonna be taking the sheets off soon to wash everything, so I just dusted the bed off and then I just threw the cover back on there anyway. But lately I have really been enjoying picking up around the house and just straightening up and cleaning, because before it was kind of like I was tired of just kind of cleaning the same way every day, and sometimes 2 to 3 times a day I'm picking up and straightening up the house after the kids and everything. So lately, like I said, I have just been enjoying the time. I've been using that time to pray and to thank God for everything, because it's just a blessing to be able to get up and clean on your own.
You forsaken, you let it slip away. You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. So you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same.
So if it's a day that I have to wash clothes, I like to sort the clothes first and then vacuum and mop. That way, if there's any hair or crumbs or whatever that falls from the clothes, I can pick it up after, versus trying to do all that on freshly cleaned floors. So I'm gonna sort the clothes, put the clothes separated where it needs to go, and then I'm gonna vacuum and mop.
Sister, save me now, save me now. Whoa. Shed a tear for me, baby, if you dare. Maybe then it would show me that you care. Cause your words never match what you do, how you act, so I can't just take you back. Never fool me once, never fool me twice. If you love me, you'll react. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me.
So when it comes down to mopping, I found that less is more. So I like to use hot boiling water, and then I use a multi-purpose cleaner. So this time I used the blue Fabuloso. I don't know the exact scent, I would have to check, but it's the blue Fabuloso, and I just use a few drops, and I find like when I use less, that the floor looks cleaner and feels cleaner versus like putting a lot in there. And then sometimes I will add a little bit of Gain laundry powder, but I haven't did that in a while. But I'm just saying, I'm letting y'all know, if y'all see me using it, then y'all know, like, it just depends, it just switches up. But I have found that less is more when it comes down to mopping.
I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling, all because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep but love, yeah. Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees, my knees. fall deeper in love. Yeah, wait a minute, don't you leave before I get to kiss ya.
I got tired of seeing the leaves and dirt and stuff underneath these shoes, so I was like, let me just vacuum it real quick and then put the shoes back and stop being lazy. So that's what I did. And then towards the end, I did also got rid of a few pair of shoes that was just dirty to the point where I knew like I just didn't even want to bother washing them. So yeah, I just got rid of them.
Yeah, but it's hard to keep a thought straight with you all up in my face. Try to get you out my mind, but why should I when you're all I really like? Yeah, I feel higher than a mountain, all because of you. You and I were so sweet, talking till we asleep. Every night I fall deep in love. Yeah, 'cause you really get me, make me fall in my knees.
I wanted to show y'all Jaden's school picture. I think he looks so handsome, and you could tell he was confused. He didn't know what was going on, but he still looked so handsome. And I just couldn't wait for picture day. I couldn't wait to like buy the pictures. I just couldn't wait for the whole thing. And I immediately had to get a picture frame so I could put his little picture in there. And I also can't wait until Mama, my 3-year-old daughter, to start school, so they, I could just get pictures from both of them each year. So I just love that picture. But anyway, I'm just gonna vacuum the porch and then I'm gonna move on to mopping.
It really feels like I lose control. Honestly, I can't even find my hole. 'Cause when you see light, I tend to fade. With city lights and you're in space, and I don't think I'm ever gonna get it right. I'm drowning underwater.
So I am using the soft scrub cleaner to clean the tub and the shower walls, and I really like it because it has bleach in it. So all I have to do is just use that one product and it works really good. And if I don't use that, if I wanted to switch it up, I probably would switch it back to Comet. I like to try to keep it like basic and like, the old school stuff, because those things work really good. And then I also think that Dawn Power Wash works good too with the tub. It really makes your tub white. I stopped using it because I just don't like to have to spray so much Dawn Power Wash, because I feel like it just, those little bottles can empty fast. So I like to just use a Dawn Power Wash for like underneath my sink for like certain dishes. And that's it. So the soft scrub or some Comet is what I like to use when I'm cleaning the tub.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on.
I cannot wait until the day that I have a full dishwasher, but I'm still grateful for this little one. It still works really good, and it doesn't hold much, but it helps me out a lot just by cutting down, even if it's just a few dishes and like a few plates and a few cups that I don't have to wash. That helps me because I really hate washing dishes. And I also like it for like the kids' cups and stuff. They always have like little straws and there's like little in between spaces that you gotta clean that I just don't like. So I always like to really put like the kids' cups and Jaden's lunchbox and things like that in there, because that helps me out a lot when I don't feel like cleaning all of those little things.
Don't take it personal, we just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm okay.
I was getting tired, so I ended the night with just folding the kids' sheets and blankets. And I showed y'all a video or two ago that I did buy 2 bins to put underneath their beds. It's like just bins that you could slide underneath. And I use those bins to put all of their sheets and pillowcases and stuff. And that really has helped me out a lot, just for them to have both of them to have a bin for all of their sheets and blankets. So when I need to change their sheets, I could just go underneath their bed and pull out the sheets and blankets.
Someone must have broken my heart, like really torn it apart in another life, in another life. Someone must have really picked me up, like caused my heart to stop in another life, in another life. Otherwise, I don't know why I keep coming back to this, keep fighting all of it. Don't trust that there's love like it. I don't know why, I just can't believe in it. Like somehow I can't commit, guess I have to admit. Yeah, I got an issue with love, yeah, I got an issue with trust. Really bad at opening up. Yeah, I got an issue with love, yeah, I got an issue with trust. Worry that it won't be enough. Yeah. Someone must have made me feel bad about who I was and what I had to give.
So for dinner the next night, we had these little round steaks. So I just put them in a crock pot, and I didn't get any potatoes or carrots or nothing. So I just cut up this onion and a pepper, and I just put that in there with some seasoning. And then when that was done, after cooking for a few hours, we had it with some mashed potatoes and some string beans, and it was really good.
Found myself inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation, wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel what is left. I've been thinking about us and the things you say, how you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it.
Y'all, it's the barbecue bag of chips underneath Jaden's bed for me. It's just sitting there. So anyway, I took the kids' sheets off so I could take them downstairs and wash them. And then I went back upstairs to go ahead and put our duvet sheets on. And then that was pretty much it for cleaning in today's video. It was a short video. I didn't do too much cleaning. I hope that this video did motivate you to want to get up and just pick up around the house and straighten up a little bit. If it did, please do not forget to give this video a like. I appreciate y'all for always liking my videos and clicking on. If you enjoy being here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next one.
There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be